Furry, the little penguins that could. Written by Ann Yurchek and illustrated by Jody Culp. Chapter 16, Furry and School. When Mac goes to the doctor, he doesn't go to school. He spends hours hugging me while he rests. There are lots of days Mac does not feel well. Guess what Mac's mom told me? I, Furry the penguin, help Mac feel better. Every day, Mac is less sick and gets a little stronger. One day, Mom woke up and said, "Boys, Mac, Furry, it is time to get up. It's Monday. That's a school day. The bus is coming." What? What? Bus? Get up? This is an all-new furry adventure. There is so much to do. Being a penguin is easy compared to being my boy. Mom finds Mac's socks. Mac hates socks. Where are Mac's braces? Mac is not happy with those either. "No, Mac, pajamas stay home," Mom said. Mac likes pajamas. Changing clothes, not so much. Mac's mom made breakfast to give Mac energy to learn and grow. And I got 2 purple fish. Mac's dinosaur lunch bag was ready to go. And Mom even packed me an orange wooden fish. Mom gently placed me in his backpack and whispered, "Watch over Mac. School is scary and difficult for him." Is school scary? Oh dear, oh my. I think I can. I think I can. I can be brave for my boy. I, Furry the penguin, will be brave. I, Furry the penguin, have to look out for Mac. I can do that. But I need to get out of this bag to look. It's dark in here. I heard Mom say, "Have a good day," and the door shut. I felt the dumpity-umpity-bumpity of the bus. More bumps. Then it stopped. We were someplace. I felt it in my stuffins. Mac and I do not need words. He tells me everything. I meet Mac's helper, and she takes me out of the backpack. We were someplace new. The door sign said, "Penguin Kindergarten Classroom." Mac whispered, "We are at school." Mac is silent. Only I can hear him. I have been listening carefully to help Mac. Was Mac scared? Mac is not glad. Does Mac look sad? The big frown might be a clue. I could hear his worry. Mac is scared, and he tells me he feels different. "Please, please, pretty please, I can help you, Mac." Mac grabs me tighter than tight, hanging on with all his might. Breathe, breathe, be brave, be helpful, little penguin. Off into a new room we must go.